Namaste. Today I am going to talk about Shukshma Vyayam, also known as Micro Yoga. Shukshma Vyayam is a workout for your internal organs, joints and muscles. There are many benefits of Shukshma Vyayam, such as developing memory, intellect, willpower and sharpening the senses. In yoga, it is said that all pranic blockages start from your joints, and that is why Shukshma Vyayam is done to release any such impurities. People of any age can perform these asanas. They provide good exercise to your internal organs, joints and muscles. Before practicing yogasana or any other physical activity, micro yoga is done as a warming up process. However, care should be taken if there is any underlying injury and physical practice should be started under consultation of your doctor.
In this video, I am sharing some traditional but simple yogic movements to activate and mobilize the joints. Sit in any comfortable position like Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Siddhasana or Padmasana. Keep the spine as straight as possible. We'll start with neck exercise. Inhale and while exhaling, side bend the head to one side, tipping the ear to the shoulder in pain-free range of movement. Gently rotate neck in clockwise direction. Inhale and go up, exhale and come back. Repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. Repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times. Inhale and slowly stretch your chin up, and while exhaling, tuck the chin into the chest. Roll your shoulders up towards your ears and then back down in a smooth forward circular motion. And then reverse the direction to roll your shoulders in backward circular motion. Hold your arms straight out from your sides and make circles with them. Rotate forward and then reverse the direction to rotate them backward. Stretch your arm out in front of you. Point the fingers toward the ceiling until you feel the stretch. Use the other hand to gently pull the raised hand toward the body. Make a gentle fist, wrapping your thumb across your fingers. Release and spread your fingers wide. Then start rotating wrist in anti-clockwise and clockwise direction, giving the perfect stretch to your wrist, releasing all tensions. Exhale and bring both palms toward shoulder, touching the shoulder. Inhale and come to the previous position. Keep hands on your shoulder and start making circle with elbow in the air. Start with backward to forward motion and then forward to backward. Keep left hand on right knee and while exhaling look back. And while inhaling slowly release the posture. Keep right hand on left knee and while exhaling look back. Release the posture. Sit in Dandasana. Stretch your fingers up and down. Then rotate feet from the ankles in clockwise direction, making circles in the air with big toe. Repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. While inhaling, lift right leg and bend your knee. Keep right foot near left leg. Exhale and release. Then while inhaling, lift your left leg and bend your knee. Keep left foot near right knee. Exhale and release. Lift your left foot off the ground. Lift your left knee to your chest. Hold the leg between your hands, fixing knee and foot inside hand lock. And move backward and forward. Repeat this procedure with other leg. It is recommended to do Anulom Vilom after performing all the Sukshma asanas. It is recommended to do all these asanas for at least 5 to 10 times. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.